Hey guys, we're here with one of our patients, Nathan. And Nathan, we just finished up with his 6th TRT treatment. So he was one of the first ones done going through a whole series of treatments. Originally, we started working out on the lower back. So tell us a little bit about the back pain that you were experiencing.
I was having almost uncontrollable back pain to where I couldn't even stand up sometimes. Dr. Dan's even had to help me up just to get something done.
Yep.
After the first treatment, I started losing pain. I started being able to bend more. I almost able to touch my toes now. I still need to work out a little bit.
Working out there. Yep. So I mean, after I think it was the 3rd treatment, at first it was excruciating.
Yeah,
I
it
mean,
was. It was painful, but it was worth the pain.
Yep, and that 3rd treatment, I was like, okay, this is getting easier. I think it was by 4th treatment, I was like hardly any pain while we're doing the treatment, which is good. I mean, obviously the body is healing. So we started working on the knees. How to do? We did the knees.
The knees were great. There's not as much grinding in them now. They don't hurt when I bend down and sit in a squatted position.
Good. And then today it was like, hey, let's move to a different area. We started working on the neck, and the neck, it was
the neck, yeah.
pretty good pain there.
Neck was pretty painful. A little ringing in there. It's still kind of there a little bit, but
Nathan works hard for his careers in the construction and fusing physical labor. So I mean, take care of his body is extremely important. So
right.
I mean, who would you recommend the
I recommend if you have any pain anywhere, just come and try it out. At least see if it helps you.
Okay.
It's helped me by far. Even as far as sleeping, I sleep so much better now.
Okay. Any other changes that you've noticed?
Yeah, being able to run.
He's able to run. How about that? Hasn't been able. How many years has it been since you?
5 years since I injured my lower back. It's 4 since I've had surgery.
Surgery. Hasn't been able to run for 4 years, and now you're running again.
Yeah.
There you go. That's what it's all about. TRT can change your life.